Dear friends, today we're going to see another oil pastels painting. This is one of the photo which I took in Ladakh in 2014. You can use any oil pastel brand and some item for etching it. So this is the photo which I took in Ladakh 2014. So went there with my friends Arun Titan, Naga and his friend. 4 of us went to Ladakh through car, using car from Chennai. We drove. That was a awesome experience to be remembered in my life. Very excited to see those snow mountains and amazing mountainscape of Himalayas. So this time I'm trying to use the paper of watercolor paper, which has nice texture, but unfortunately this paper of 300 GSM Canson has more texture, so using oil pastels was a little challenging, in the sense I had to press hard and more pigments I had to put. So right now I'm using tissue paper. After applying the oil pastel pigments, the 2 colors I've applied. In the top is a nice blue, in bottom there is a turquoise kind of color which I applied. So I want to bring out nice sky. I'm not planning for a deep sky, but nice sky, pleasant sky. A little bit of grey I put for the bottom of the cloud. So I had to press very hard with the tissue paper. Now I'm making white pastel to make some clouds around the main clouds, the brighter clouds, I would say. Now trying to define the mountains with the grey first. So quite excited to see that low flying beautiful clouds over the huge mountains as you see in the photograph. It was a very amazing and awesome, fantastic landscape. I guess people are allowed only during for some 3 months, from I guess it is May, June, July. So this is at Kullu Manali. In a valley, a person is taking care of his goats. And the most exciting thing for me there is to see these apple trees. Very excited. It's beautiful apple trees, and it was very fresh to eat them. Never ate such tasty apples. And another my great experience was Pangong Lake, which is in the border of China and India. Look at those colors of the lake. It's awesome there. So that was my brief history of Ladakh experience. Okay, so the mountain which is near, I'm trying to add more green. So there is a sap green and dark green, both I put. And the mountain close to us is more rich in colors and depth. Trying to define things like trees in the mountain. Just give some feel of the tree, that is good enough. Need not give a lot of details. I've used some dark blue also in that. So using green to define some trees here and there in the next mountain. And there is a village in the valley. The feel of that village houses I'm trying to give, so I've used red color for that. trying to add some shadows for the snow mountains, blue and gray and a little bit of brown, all those colors you can put. Then later you can use tissue paper or even hand to even them out. Yellow, brown, grey, all that I'm trying to put. It was a bit challenging since the paper texture was rough and so I had to press very hard to even them out. So this is a kind of base painting we call, over which you can define again and again and add more values. Now defining details in a bit more realistic way. So now I use a black color also. But after once you use the black color, on top again you can put green to diffuse the darkness. Otherwise it will be too much of black and it will be contrasting. To diffuse it, you can apply green again. So this tree I've added just for better composition, for better balance. This was not there in the photograph. So maybe this is the final layer of applying things. A dark blue applied, on top I have applied grey again. What I have in hand is a blender, a kind of blending tool, which has a kind of plastic tip. I'm using screwdriver to remove the pigments. So this is interesting thing, and you can use that to add some fine details of highlight. Trying to add some falls, waterfalls, which we can see in the mountain, and some highlights here and there. So it's a nice process. All the kids would be having oil pastels. You can try them comfortably, blend them. Blending is the key thing in oil pastels. Follow me on the Facebook page, and my site cuckoo.in has details about the art classes which I take, Joy of Art and basic drawing course, Joy of Art courses for kids, then watercolor and figure drawing courses also. So I'm taking. So let me know if you are interested to join, and share this video with your family and friends who's interested in learning art. It's a simple mountainscape with oil pastels. All the kids would be having oil pastels. Try without inhibitions. Enjoy the joy of art. I think this is after some color correction. This is the one. See you in the next video. Bye.